This is Boy TV. Welcome back to an amazing video on my YouTube channel. A very quick one. Let me show you guys how to connect your wallet on Unich airdrop, Unich app. So if you are coming for the first time, make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when I start posting important video like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and gain from it. Alright. So this is how to connect your wallet here. Okay. So here, this you go to you will be using Phantom for this wallet. So you can use the Phantom, you can use OKX, you can use what is it called? You can use what is it? Oh, I don't forget all this wallet's name. So let's use Phantom. So if you don't have Phantom, download Phantom on your Play Store or your iOS, download it and create an account. Okay, so if you open, let me launch my Phantom wallet. Please like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when I start post amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you. I come and watch and gain from it. Alright. So let me open this. Tap to unlock. Continue. I got it. Okay, this is my Phantom wallet. Alright. This is my Phantom wallet here. So let's go to the browser. So go to the browser. I believe you guys can see the browser here. This is the browser here. This last one here, that is the browser down there. Okay, so go to browser, then you type token .unich.com. This is what you will type. I don't need to leave it in the video description, but I have to leave it because of those that have coconut ears and eyes. So token.unich.com. Before on type token.unich.com. So if you start this, then click on go. It will bring you to exactly this interface. It will not take you anywhere. If it takes you somewhere else, please minimize back and retype the correct one. So let's wait for it to come up. Remember, I'm using Phantom wallet for this tutorial. Okay, so let's give it a few seconds to come up. Please exercise patience. Okay, let's wait. While we are waiting, please kindly like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Alright, so when I start post amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and gain from it. Alright, so you can see you can buy this. You can buy the Unich IDO. They are live. You can buy if you want to buy, you can buy. They are now 1 unit is equals to 0.1656. Right, so you can buy. So if you are here, you click on this place that says connect wallet. Okay, this place that says connect wallet. It's very simple, guys. So click on connect wallets. Remember, I'm using Phantom wallet for this. Okay, so I select Phantom. So if I select Phantom, it will pop up this. Once it pop up this, then click on connect here. This connect here. Click on connect here. Okay, so let's click on connect. It will connect automatically. Signature required. So click on confirm. Okay, just 2 seconds or 2. You can see notification login successfully. So if you scroll down now, you can see it now. Phantom is now showing here. You can see it. Phantom is now showing here. Before it was showing connect wallet, but now it's showing Phantom. Alright. So if this video is valuable for you, please kindly like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share the video, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. We'll be coming back with mind-blowing videos, tutorial video like this, and you will not want to miss any of them. So that is the reason why it's important for you to like the video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So when I start post amazing video like this, you still notify you. You the first person to come and watch and benefit from it. Alright, so they have raised total of 462 million 62,000 dollars for this. So you will be, so you can buy the IDU if you want, if you're interested. So if you want to buy, just click on how to buy again, safe. Okay, I think you can watch this tutorial before you buy. You fund your Solana, right? You fund your payment token, click on it. So select Solana USDC, then fund it. Once you fund it, this buy SUN here will pop up. All right, this one now, it will pop up. It will pop up here. Okay, so you can buy. So this is how to connect your wallet on. So if you go back to your this thing, then go to home. Let's go to home. So if you, this is the Unich wallet itself. This one now is Unich wallet. Okay, this is Unich wallet, not the one we just connected. Remember, we connected Phantom, not Unich wallet. So this one, they have their own separate Web3 wallet. So if you click on it now, it will take you to their own Web3 wallet, right? You can see it now. So if you want to go back to the dating, you click on dating here, it will take you back to the mining. So make sure you are activating your mining daily, please. Make sure you are activating your mining daily. So if you are not having if your app is not opening on each app, so make use of VPN, make use of Windscribe. Okay, I'm using Windscribe, so make use of Windscribe. You can see it here, it's connected. So there's no Windscribe and connect to any USA server. You can see it here, it's connected. All right, see it here, it's actually connected. So there's no Windscribe and connect to any USA server, or download any VPN of your choice and connect to USA server. All right, so that is just that is all. And I want to tell you that if you have a little spare money, if you have some little spare box, buy a share of BNB and Ethereum, because BNB and Ethereum are actually dumping. You can see it here, you can see it right here. So they have been down for more than 24 hours, but it's going up now. Ethereum and BNB is going up now. So that is just that. If you have a little spare box, buy some token and hold. Some assets are going down now, some USDT are going down, some coins, some meme coins are going down. So if you have some 20, 50 or 100,000 naira, you can buy and hold for future purpose. Once they pump, you can sell it for your own benefit. All right, so that's all. I'll be leaving you guys here, and I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Peace.